Hi everyone, welcome back. This time it is a project converting Sunroom into Four Seasons room and puja room. Our house did not come with puja room. So now let's see. This is how the sunroom looked like before. It did not come in with anything for Four Seasons. So we had to get the windows professionally installed. Other than that, we did everything ourselves. You can see the insulation material here. I have been cutting this up and putting it against these wooden boards that are there. So this insulation was got from Lowe's. My husband and I worked all the time on this project whenever we got a break from work. It was a very difficult project but very rewarding. Let's see now. Here we put in all the insulation, and this is all the wooden 2x4s to build a frame to divide the room into a puja room or prayer room and a relaxation room. This door also was replaced by us because this door was not suitable for Four Seasons. You can see a lot of stuff, and these are all the panels, the sheetrock and whatnot. We learned a lot in this project. It was very difficult project but very rewarding. We took 4 months because we both work full-time jobs. Now the insulation material was put down. Now we are putting the boards against them and we will be nailing them. It's not a difficult job, but it takes time. After that, we put in the dividing frame and we put in the sheetrock. We finished the puja room by putting the flooring as well, and we painted it as well. You can see it. It looks really nice. I used light yellow to paint the room. And now this is the last part where my husband is putting the baseboard panels. I apologize, we could not put the framing video in this. And at the last, we put in the barn doors to save space because the regular door takes up room for the swing space. So we wanted to avoid that, and the barn door is ready. Now the puja room or prayer room is ready. Welcome inside. This is how it looks like. It is a very small room but very peaceful and very nice to sit and do our prayer and meditation. And this is the puja mandir that my husband and I built ourselves. There are a lot of YouTube videos on this. So we built it according to our needs. It's pretty spacious and where all our deities can sit and we can do our prayer or puja. This is how it looks like. It's really beautiful. It is almost rusty red color and it has come out really, really well. My husband is very artistic and very talented. And now just to show you, we added some features into it. We added this drawer like thing just to make sure where we keep offering to God, like if we have to keep food as offering or fruits as offering. And the bottom is a cabinet we built that can hold all the wicks and the prayer books and the japamala or anything that is related to prayer. It's pretty spacious and we are really, really happy with it. Now, since this is ready, I'm going to take you around again. Now, the other part of the sunroom or relaxation room is ready. Now, there you go. It's really beautiful. We really loved it. The contractor gave us a quote of $15,000. And it was not one, it was 3 contractors we tried, and they told us it cannot be done less than $15,000. But we challenged ourselves and we did it within $5,400. It was a lot of work. We both worked a lot, but the end result is just amazing. We are so happy. We sit here, relax, read books, do yoga and meditation. And we have a beautiful a little prayer room as well. And our door also looks really nice. It's all ready for the winter. And this is how it looks like. I hope I gave you an idea on doing something on your own. It takes a lot of hard work and patience. And now if I open the barn door, this is how the entrance of our puja room looks like. It's really, really nice, peaceful, and really beautiful. We are really thankful to God for giving us the patience and guiding us through this project. And thank you so much for watching. This is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.